Good afternoon, traders. And in today's video, I will talk about the trendline liquidity indicator that is launching today on our Telegram channel as well. And we have already launched this indicator on our Telegram, and our students, our subscribers who are into the Telegram group, they are making free money with the live signals that we are providing in the Telegram channel. If you have not joined the Telegram channel, then please check the description of this video, and you can also become a part of our Telegram channel, and you can simply trade the free signals from the indicator, and the signals are free. And if you want to get the access of the swing trend line liquidity hunt indicator, then you can contact through Telegram or email. Okay, so the problem is that there are a lot of indicators available on TradingView that claim about the trend lines, but actually they don't work because they do not take care of the liquidation. So I have developed the one indicator that is called the swing trend line indicator. It will plot when it will plot the green line. Okay, it will not plot immediately when the price was here. It already automatically plot the green line, and it tells you, for example, let's say the price was somewhere here, and this has provided us with a green trend line. It's a very clear message that the price wants to go into the downward direction, because this trend line will be liquidated sooner or later. The trend line will be liquidated. Now what we do, for example, we have taken the first trade from here, and let's say if the market goes slightly against us, then we add the another trade with the same lot size, and this is how we do. And when the final reversal came, all of the trades become in profit. So basically we are doing on averaging basis. Okay, now this I mainly trade the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, this has liquidated the smaller time frame, and we want a very clean setup exactly like this. Either the market is trending into the upward direction, or if it is trending into the downward direction, we want a clean setup. Okay, so for example, this is the trade, pound USD trade I have delivered in my Telegram channel. Now you can see when the price was here. Let me give you the message through here. When the price was here, I told my subscribers to average your trades and put your sell positions, and later on we have seen that pound USD simply went into the downward direction, and the price has liquidated this trend line. So when the trend line will appear, it means that the price will liquidate that part. Okay, now look at this. We will not trade such situations. As I have told you, the market should be vertically up or vertically down. Like, we are not going to trade when the true trend lines are very close to each other. Okay, so what is the best way? Like, this is the upward direction. The trend line is vertically up, the other trend line is far from it, and now you can see already the price has liquidated, and might be it can even go further. So we will take our scalping chance. Okay, now look, that was the good example. When the price was here, and might be the price was somewhere here when this trend line was printed. Okay, so when the red trend line will be printed, it means that now the stop losses of the retail traders, they all are lying above it. And the because look, on the other side, you can easily draw that trend line yourself, but actually your trend line will be completely different than this indicator, because this is using some logic and it is providing you early entry. Just look at the gap in between the yellow trend line and the red trend line, where you have manually marked it, and this indicator has marked it. There is a huge difference. You get early entry from the red trend line indicator. However, your trend lines is providing you the late entry. So this was bullish. The price was supposed to break that the red trend line, and you can see already it has done this. Okay, so clean setups, like for example, this is the clean setup. The trend line is already here, so it means that the price will come to liquidate that green line at any cost. The price will come, and that's what we have seen. And every time this is working like a magic. You trust me, this is working like a magic. Just take the screenshot from that video. Pound AUD, it is at 2.01401 level, and check this screenshot after 30 minutes, or after 15 to 20 minutes, when the price will drop. I'm telling you in advance, before the move has happened, that the price will liquidate 2.011331 levels. This is how this indicator works. So take that screenshot. This is the clean setup that I'm giving you in this video. Okay, this move has already happened because the price liquidated the trend line. Okay, so we will not take a sell from here. Yes, it was a sell, but we will not take a sell because we want the two trend lines to be far from each other. Okay, for example, NZD USD setup, the price was here, the trend line was printed. Now you can see the price has liquidated the upper side. So when the red trend line will be printed, it means that this is the buy. When the green trend line will be printed, it means that this is the sell. And after the drop, it has printed a new trend line, and this has already given the profit. Okay, so this is another profitable trade. When the red was printed, the price is going to break that one. Okay, now whatever you trade, now for example, this is the bank nifty chart. So the trend line on the bank nifty shows that the price will drop. Okay, so when the bank, I think so it's off right now, but when it will open, the price should drop. If we check Nifty, yes, we will not trade that one because the two trend lines are very close to each other. So we need to ignore that situation. Okay, we will also, okay, this is also a scalping chance that it has already given you, but new trend line is not updated so far. Okay, now go and verify this trade. I have given the trade in my Telegram group when the Bitcoin was somewhere here, and I told everyone that Bitcoin will be bullish because this red trend line will be broken, and you can see the Bitcoin is up. Okay, the data is available in my Telegram channel. You can go and check that video. Okay, that post in our Telegram channel. Okay, now the two trend lines are very close to each other, so we will not prefer that one. Okay, now let's see how it's working on the other time frames. Like for example, if I go to, okay, the drop, okay, no, they are very close, so we cannot trade. We, as I told you, look at this one. Now take that screenshot. The gold, basically, this was the move that actually came exactly from here. Okay, price was going to liquidate the red trend line, and now you can see almost liquidated, but it's still bullish. Gold is still bullish. You can take that screenshot. Okay, we want a clean setup. We want a very clean setup. Okay, now take that screenshot as well. No, 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 no. It's yes, yes. It's far. Okay, now this is the pound USD. If you will see pound USD in the later hours, you will see the price will come or break that red line that you can see here. Okay, now USD CHF already broke the line. Okay, so this was the sell on Euro USD, and you can see the price is liquidated that part. Okay, so the true trend lines are very close, but still it's a good one. Like you can see the price already break that one. So this is how this indicator works. It basically provides you with a lot of signals, but all you just need to do is like do not trade any trend lines when they are very close to each other. Trade such type of setups when the price is far from the both trend lines, and then you got a, like for example, this is the Euro USD setup. Okay, so the price is liquidating already. Okay, so these type of setups we need to find for our profitable trading. If you want to get the access of this powerful trend line indicator that is completely based on the liquidity, then you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. If you want to crush the markets on the lower time frames like 1 minute and like the other 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, then this indicator is for you. That takes the proper care of the liquidity. You can contact through Telegram or email. Thank you.